Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you what we are going to have for our lunch for the cold weather in Delhi. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make saag and matar paneer at our home. But I shared this recipe guys, but I'm showing you what we are going to have for our lunch. So right now I'm making this sarson ka saag. Usually, being a South Indian, we usually make sambar, rice, rasam, and one sabji. But today I'm making the North Indian dish for the lunch. So yeah. So I added some salt and a little bit of water, and I'm going to pressure cook this one up to 4 to 5 whistles. So this is the tadka for saag guys. Here I chopped some onion and some onion for saag and some onion for matar paneer. So right now I'm making the matar paneer. So take a pan, add some oil, and I'm adding some cumin seeds. And it's time to add the onion. Let it fry. We have to fry until it becomes light brown in color. Then we have to add the chopped onion, chopped tomato, sorry. So all these recipes are in my YouTube channel guys. If you want to check out how to make matar paneer or how to make sarson ka saag, I will put the link in the description box so that you guys can check. Okay guys, so my onion has become brown in color. It's time to add tomatoes. This is how we make matar paneer at our home, and we have to mix the tomato and the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, here I added 2 green chilies along with this tomato and onion. So this is nicely cooked guys, and in this I am going to add some peas, that is matar. So here I added some peas, that is the fresh matar, and you have to mix these things together. And after 2 to 3 minutes I will add some water. Then we have to add the salt, the turmeric powder, the chili powder, the garam masala, so everything guys I will show you. So in this I am going to add some water. Here I added some water, and it's time to add all the masalas like turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder. So yeah, it's time to add some turmeric powder, that is haldi, some chili powder. I added the salt already. So here my matar paneer is ready, and I added some paneer, can you see? So, and some butter. If you want to skip that butter part, you can skip. So this is how I make the matar paneer at home. So yeah, so one sabji is ready guys, and another sabji, that is saag, that I will show you how I make saag. Hey guys, I cooked this one for up to 7 to 8 whistles. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this water and I'm going to grind this saag as a very smooth paste. And here I'm doing tadka for saag. So I added little bit of oil, cumin seeds, onion and tomato. If you want to skip the tomato, you can. but it gives a nice tanginess taste in the sarson ka saag. So yeah, so I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. Hey guys, I added the saag along with the onion and all the masalas, and it has to be cooked for 25 to 30 minutes in a low flame. Then in the last we have to add some butter, and here my atta dough is ready guys, and it's time to make hot chapatis. So yeah, and we are going to have some rice. In South India we love rice guys, so we need rice for our lunch and dinner too also, but today we are making chapatis. Hey guys, this is the quick video of how to make roti, matar paneer and saag. So this is our North Indian lunch on Saturday. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.